Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at E-Trade and we're looking at this number staring me in the face. Negative 1450. Alright, goal. Get that number positive. Okay. Also, get the total gain positive. It's a little bit longer term. But for now, we're going to look at that. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to say trade. Options. Forward. Now, the whole market is down today. Why? Well, a lot of reasons contributed to it, but let's take a look. 11.35. I got 24 cents. Okay. Let's go out another week. Not really seeing any good pricing here. Let's go out to the April. Still not great. Not what I want to see. Huh. At least for Ford. Let's go look at Verizon. Okay. Now Verizon, we do have some stock. And look at that, 38. I get a buck. Sell a covered call. So let's pick the strike. 38. A little lower than where we're at. Okay. We're going to go with a limit of, let's go 102. Okay. That should be sufficient. Let's go look at the portfolio. Okay, here we go. This is in our Roth. Now let's go back and do that same trade. In our cash account. Okay. Limit. I'm feeling greedy now. I want an extra penny. Still executed. There we go. See, our cash position is better. Slightly. And, we got that extra Verizon covered call now. What else can we do to raise money here? Let's see. We're still a little bit underwater with Intel. Cleveland Cliffs, we could try that again. I know we made that trade yesterday. Okay. 19. See, I'd like to have a 20, but a 20 is just not in the cards for us, is it? But not much price difference between for a week. There's some decent pricing. That's terrible. So I'm going to go out to here, and I'm going to sell another call. Okay. And I'm going to to go with $1 even. Not even splitting the difference, man. I should be more greedy. It's okay. Anyhow, so we have a 19 and we have a 20. Okay. That's acceptable, I guess. We'll see what happens. If not, maybe I could roll it. But you can see our cash is coming more in line. Still not great. So be sure you guys stay tuned and subscribe. Thanks for watching.